Good day, everyone. We're a team of 5 students from the Building and Real Estate program in PolyU. So today we were going to talking about the Gen AI policy on different courses, its application, and our thoughts and suggestion on using Gen AI.
So for our discussion, we selected two courses, English course
and Building and Real Estate course. Both courses have clear Gen AI policies and offer various ways to utilize AI and completing take-home assignments.
For BLE 265 course, the assessment is a focus study which consists of a report on the construction for student hostel in Holman team and a PowerPoint presentation. This assessment consists of a range of 25% proportion and the Gen AI is required. A document is provided for our Gen AI policy.
For the English course, the assignment consists of academic proposal and academic essay. Academic proposal weighs 5% and the weight of academic essay is 45%, making a total of 50%. Gen AI is allowed and the specific documentation requirements are provided.
Gen AI can be used in similar ways for both courses. It can be used to brainstorm ideas and generate ideas, as well as we can find source, write transcripts, proofread or polish the essay in an academical style.
For the BRE 265 focus study, there are specific Gen AI requirements. This include providing prompt details when asking Gen AI, distinguishing between personal work and work done by artificial intelligence, reflecting on the limitations of using AI, listing the lessons learned from the process, and providing full references and citations for Gen AI tools work. For the English language course, comparing to the previous year, the weightage of grammar and vocabulary in the assessment of writing essays has decreased to only 15%, with a larger portion in the in-class question and answer session. This shows that students are expected to perform well in grammar and vocabulary by using Gen AI. We believe that the take-home assessments are not Gen AI resistant. It allows us to use Gen AI to proofread our essay and check our grammar mistakes or even rephrase the sentences. The Gen AI policy is effective as detector checks for plagiarism and students would be downgraded or failed for plagiarism. However, we have concerns about the AI detector misjudging the similarity of essays.
Let me show you how we can utilize AI in our take-home assignment. For generating ideas, we can copy the essay topic from ELC assignment and paste it in POE AI and then let him generate. And if you want to write this topic with this idea, then you can copy this idea and add your prompt, and then you just wait for the results. And that's how we use AI to generate ideas and find relevant resources. For the forecast study of BLE 265, we basically use the same method. All we need to do is copy and paste and wait. Then we can use these ideas in our forecast studies. AI can also be used to proofread our essay and give feedback to us. So we copy and paste our essay, then add some suitable prompt, and simply let the AI do the magic. And that's how we can use AI to proofread our essay and provide feedback. One of the critical issues would be the lack of idea thinking from the student. Students were not able to fully understand the content of study, as most of the part of the assessment can be done by AI. As we can see here, we just simply copy the content generated by AI and then paste it in our work file, then most of the part of this assessment is done already. To address this issue, some assignment can have AI-resistant design. We can provide assignments that require personal thoughts or creativity. In this example, students are required to create a mind map and sketches for the design, and the AI failed to give what I want. And that's how we can make AI resistant assignment to address this issue. Another issues would be students' academic dishonesty and plagiarism. As we can see here, the use of AI can be detected. However, students can simply use rephrasing tool to lower AI detection and avoid plagiarism. This issue can be addressed by making more assessment resistant to AI usage, or the school can give heavier penalty to the dishonest use of AI.
Overall, GenAI could be really useful for learning. As we said before, we can use GenAI to check our grammar for English language course. And for BRE 265, we can use GenAI to make the research part easier for focus study project. However, there is always a risk of academic dishonesty. For instance, if the student asks ChatGPT to write the whole essay, then he paraphrases it and submits like this, it's not only the problem of academic dishonesty, but also the student won't learn anything new. He won't know how to write essay, and he will have a lack of information. Even though there are GenAI detectors, the students themselves should understand why and where they should and shouldn't use GenAI. For the conclusion, I would like to discuss how we use GenAI while creating our video. First of all, we made the research ourselves and then asked ChatGPT to create the transcript for us. And here you can see the first benefit of GenAI. It's really creative and it's good with text, so in our point of view, our transcript sounds really good and enthusiastic. Secondly, we use GenAI to create video images and images for our video content. And here we have difficulties.
While generating video from Picalabs, we noticed that it's difficult for artificial intelligence to generate a realistic video with correct proportions and correct face features of people. And here you can see that their face features are not like in real life, and also there is something wrong with their hands. And the same problems happens while generating photo images. Here you can see that they have two heads, and at this image there is again something wrong with the girl's hand and also her eyes. And here for some reason, three of them have the same face. So if you want to have a realistic picture, you need to spend quite a lot of time generating images.